Hi, I'm Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums. I'm making a little video this morning is to accompany one of the listings we have on our Etsy shop. It's for this beautiful little drum just here. Now, as you can see, it's an egg-shaped drum. It's a deerskin hide on here, which is rather gorgeous. Lovely mellow tone with the deerskins. It's on a willow wood frame. No, take it back. I'm sure this is beech, actually. Beech! Yes, it is. Sorry, I'm very excited there. But yeah, it's very similar beech willow. It looks very similar. But yeah, this is definitely a beech wood frame and deerskin. It has got a hazelwood branch handle. It's laced with the artificial sinew there, which is great for resisting the effects of moisture. So yeah, on the inside, when you was doing all of this business, on the inside of the frame, I've burnt some information. One of them was the materials that were used when the drum was birthed, which obviously was beech and deerskin. I put my maker's mark in there as well, but I've also put the date when the drum was birthed, which was the 5th of January 23 in Knighton Parish, UK, and that's to enable you to have a look at the astrological aspects of that birth date, find out what energies were around on that day and how it will and has and will continue to affect the energy of the drum, just as it affects us on for our birth date and where we're born as well. Obviously very important. So enough whittering, let's have a little play. I'm going to play with a soft beater and a firmer beater. Both give a slightly different sound, and either of these are available to purchase alongside the drum if you choose this drum to be your own. So the soft beater first. Beautiful. And the firmer beater, here we go. Gorgeous. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it's helped you to make a more informed decision when you're coming to choose your drum online, which is very challenging. So that's why I make these little videos, just to help you along a little bit by allowing you to have a listen to the sound. So that's where we're at. I'm Crow. It's Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.